Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to customize the taskbar in Windows 10. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Right-click on the Start menu and select Settings, or press the Windows key, plus I to open Settings. From there, go to Personalization and click on Taskbar. Under Taskbar, you can turn on or off, lock the taskbar, automatically hide the taskbar, use small taskbar buttons, show badges on taskbar apps, and more. You can also change the taskbar location on the screen and combine taskbar buttons. Under the notification area, you can choose which icons appear in the notification area and more. Lastly, you can right-click on any app and choose Pin to Taskbar or Unpin from Taskbar to show or remove it from the taskbar. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to share more with you. So, until next time, see you later.